In today's session, we will learn how we can practice of tongue twister letter A. App cakes, grapes cakes. App cakes, grapes cakes. Andre and Andrew ate acid apples accidentally. Andrew ate acid apples accidentally. If I assist a sister's assistant, will the sister's sister assistant assist me? If I assist a sister's assistant, will the sister's sister assistant assist me? Can an active actor always actually act accurately? Can an active actor always actually act accurately? So, in today's session, we learned how we can produce the sound A and related to the words. And in the next video, we will learn how we can produce the sound letter B.